Hey guys, so finally got the grill out and all that. You really have to take every little bolt out of all underneath here, okay, including this little guy hiding under there, which I've already removed. Make sure you can twist this just enough to get it out of there. Again, a lot easier with impact. So when that's all out, you still need to give it a good tug, because there is, can you see in there? Hopefully you can see in there. There's a couple guide tabs that are still, you got to pop them in there. I mean, even though it feels loose, it's like, oh, why is it not coming out? Well, you got to pull on it, wiggle it a little bit. You also want to protect your bumper so when it comes out, it doesn't launch down and scratch your bumper all up. As you guys know, this is all at your own risk. I don't take any responsibility for any mistakes, whether they're mine or yours. It's just a video to try and help you out. So the new wiring harness, according to the instructions, runs across here. That wiring harness is the only additional harness that I know of that we need, and that's for the DRL, the big C-shaped DRL, and that's going to run across here. And so when I come back in, I'll have both these lights removed, and I'll be installing that DRL, okay? The harness, rather. And by the way, it runs up here and it goes into the fuse box. There's a fuse box tab, I think in number 36, and so I'll show that too. All right, hold please.